DJM TV. President Muhammadu Buhari returns to the country. Hey fam, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. This is DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for all the news and gist that's happening in Nigeria and all over the world. This is your first time of seeing any of our videos. A very big thumbs up and welcome to you. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop any news. Now to the news. President Muhammadu Buhari, the president of Nigeria, has returned to the country after his routine medical checkup in London, United Kingdom. He landed at the Abuja International Airport on Thursday, the 15th of April, 2021. Now, remember that President Muhammadu Buhari left the country on the 30th of March and proceeded on his 2 weeks medical checkup leave in London. The presidential aircraft, which carried Mr. Buhari and some of his aides, landed at the presidential wing of the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja at about 4:45 p.m. on Thursday, the 15th of April, 2021. This follows his 2 weeks leave in London for what he described as medical consultation. And amongst those present at the airport to welcome the president includes the Chief of Staff to the President, Ibrahim Gambari, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Mohammed Bello, and the National Security Advisor to the President, Babagana Monguno. Other persons that were present at the airport to welcome the president back to the country also included the service chiefs, the Acting Inspector General of Police, Usman Akali, the Director General National Intelligence Agency, Ahmed Rufai, the Director General of the State Security Services, Yusuf Bichi, and other presidential aides were also at the airport. Upon landing at the Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport in Abuja, President Muhammadu Buhari was given a brief welcoming ceremony at the airport, after which he boarded the presidential helicopter which carried him to the presidential villa in Aso Rock. During the 2 weeks medical leave, as he calls it, the stay of the president of Nigeria in the UK was not quite a peaceful one, as many Nigerians held protests at the Abuja house where he stayed for the 2 weeks, demanding that he should return back to Nigeria and fix the country, especially the health sector. He was also criticized for his many medical trips abroad, despite the huge amount that was allocated, or that's always allocated, to the Aso Rock Clinic annually. This protest was led by Rino Omokri, a former AD to the ex-president of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, as he led people from Nigeria and even those living in the UK to the Abuja house on a daily basis to make the stay of the president in the UK very, very uncomfortable. Well, many Nigerians have reacted to the news of the president being back in the country. Rino Omokri took to his Twitter and said, "Dear General at M. Buhari, welcome back to Nigeria. I'm sure that after the surprise package we arranged for you in London, you will think twice before returning. Now you know what my people and I are capable of. Please focus on building hospitals for yourself and for the masses. Regards." Now, Rino Omokri, like I told you, was the one who led the protest against Buhari in the United Kingdom, and he has reacted. He has welcomed the president back, and he has advised him to do the needful, put the health sector in order, and make sure that everything works as it is supposed to be. Now, Rino Omokri really made fun of the president, because he harassed him he harassed the president to maximum capacity during his medical trip in the UK, and he has told him that he is very sure that now the president will think twice before traveling out of the country. Now, many Nigerians have also reacted. Some of them reacted to Reno Omokri's post, telling him, "Big kudos to you. Your patriotic effort will not be in vain." Some others have said that, Reno Omokri, thank you very much for your relentless pursuit to bring back our president. Now, some other persons took to Twitter and were saying things like, the president's main job is medical tourism, traveling, while his side also is being the president of Nigeria, because this is the 6th time in his tenure that he's traveling out of the country for medical reasons, being the same person who criticized the former presidents of this country as he said they were wasting the funds, the little resources of the country, globetrotting. Those were his exact words. He said they were globetrotting, and that if he became the president, he would do it differently. Now he's the president, and for the 6th time since he became president, he has traveled and returned for what is called medical tourism. Before his departure, the presidency had clarified the fact that President Muhammadu Buhari's trip to the United Kingdom was not an emergency, as many people were speculating. They also said that the president was not sick, because critics have said that he was sick, and as such, they're flying him abroad for treatment. Garba Shehu, the senior special assistant to the president on media and publicity, said that the president's trip abroad is a regular medical checkup that the president has done, and that the president has done this with a set of doctors that he has maintained for several years, and they are located in London. Amidst cheers from his teaming supporters, many Nigerians have said that the president being back in the country or not does not make any difference at all whatsoever, because the difference is not felt whether he's at home or not. Some other persons have said, "Oh, welcome, Mr. Bubu. Inflation rate is now 18%. And some other person has said, "Well, the country is on standstill. There's hunger everywhere." Many people have really said a lot and condemning the president's regular traveling to London as a means of wasting the country's resources. Now, trust Nigerians, we always look for the subtle sides of things. We always look for the funny side of things. Now, many Nigerians have pointed out the way the president wore his nose mask at the airport when he came down from the plane. Now, many people were saying, is it that the face mask could not go around his ears, or were they tied behind his head, or whatever is the case? The president is not wearing the face mask properly, and after all, they said you must use your face mask in public gatherings. So why is the president not wearing his correctly? Now, trust Nigerians, we always want to make a joke out of everything. Well, what do you think? The president is back in the country. Do you think it makes any difference that he's back? Or do you think it would have been better if he had stayed in London? Drop your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to like and to share this video. Also, do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course, TikTok. Check out our website at www.djmtv.news, and you can also place your advert with us. Yes, and be rest assured that your business will get to the permanent site. It will get to the desired market. Well, this is still DJM TV Daily News Update, and until I come your way again with another edition of this news, my name remains Lawuru Favor.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.